to my channel. My name is Yewande and this is Yanu London. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an everything £5 haul. If you haven't already seen by the title, this will be my first ever haul, but I'm going to put a little twist on it. The items that I have that I bought from everything £5, I bought items that I liked but with slight alterations. I think they could have been a lot better. So let's the haul begin. Oh yeah, before it begins, actually, now let me just start, because you know when you watch YouTube videos and people are just like waffling, which is I'm doing right now. Okay, ignore that because it's my first time. But you know when people what is it, when people do like haul videos and they're just taking long to get into it. But no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to continue with my waffling. Wait a second. So let me tell you my measurement. I am 5'5". I weigh 180 pounds at the moment. I know that's a lot, but yeah, I'm working on it. I'm 180 pounds. I'm 5'5". My bust is 36 inches. My waist is 30 inches and my hips are 44 inches. So I am like a UK size 12 is what I tend to wear, but I tend to wear like stretchy clothing. This is just like a basis, so you know, like in reference to yourself what kind of measurements you are. Well, measurements I am in reference to yourself. But yeah, I'll put that all down in the description below. I'd really appreciate if, like, when I see other YouTube videos, if people did that also. But I understand that like some people are self-conscious about their measurements and their weight and whatnot. But I'm only saying this because I don't plan on saying the size for long, because I'm not normally, I wouldn't say it's huge, but for me I just feel big. But anyway, let the haul begin. This is the big box of items that I got from everything £5. I've been shopping hair since like 2014 when my aunt recommended the site to me, and I really appreciate her for it, because like I buy so many of my things from there. Like I try to save money wherever possible. So I can't remember how many items I've got, but you'll just see along the way anyway. Okay, so the first item is this you know them teddy fleeces that are really popular at the moment? It's one of those. So with this I plan on cropping it to like my waist length. You know the really popular ones that you're seeing like everyone on Instagram? I'll probably insert a picture or something. Probably see them on like what is their names? So there's like these 3 sisters on Instagram. I can't remember their names. I think one is like Nikki or something, and they're so popular. It's like something that you'll probably find on Meshki or something like that. But I bought this, and I bought it in a size 10 to 12, and the brand on this is Nouveau Edition. I don't know if you can see that. It's probably not relevant, but as far as I am concerned, everything from everything5pounds.com is, they get it from like other brands which are doing their clearances. Like you'll find Topshop items there, and items from New Look. Like I found several items from New Look and Topshop from there before. So this is the first item. Woo! I succeeded. Cool. So here is the first item on, after me taking years to actually put it on. So here is what the black fleece looks like on without any alterations. Cool. So this is it. It's a fleecy material. These are the ones that are popular everywhere. It's mad cute. That's what it looks like from the back. So the next item are a pair of flared bottoms, and these are from, yeah, these are from Topshop, literally what I was saying earlier, but like the label is cut out. The material on this is nice, it's soft. Here's what they look like. I just feel like salsa, I can't even speak, I just feel like doing salsa dancing in these. Yeah, these are very cute. I like these quite a bit. So I have another pair of trousers, and these are snakeskin. I got these in a size medium to large, which on the website I think was a 10 to 12. So that's what I got these in. And like snakeskin is so popular at the moment. I don't even know where this trend came from, but like everyone is rocking snakeskin at the moment. But yeah, this is what they look like on the back. But yeah, these actually popping. Wouldn't wear them with this top. I got more of these. When I like something, I tell you guys, when I like something, I buy it in every color possible. Like if this came in red, if it came in, did it come in blue? It came in blue and red, but it wasn't like, okay, let me relax because I'm just waffling now. But yeah, I'll buy it in most of the colors that I see, because I do that with shoes as well. If I like something, like TNs guys, I used to have them in every single color. Have them in red, blue, grey. Okay, I'm waffling again. So there is this fleece, which I am also going to customize. And luckily on these ones, there's like, it's slightly different. It comes with the elastic cord at the bottom. The black one didn't come with that, so when I'm doing the DIY, it'll be a lot easier. I don't know if I'll do it in 2 videos or I'll just insert it into this one at the end. I'll probably do that, like I'll show you the before, but I'm not doing it all today because I haven't got time. But anyway, here is the second fleece. I'm struggling. Oh yeah, I didn't mention the black one. Does it have pockets? No, I don't think the black one has pockets. Yo, I think I look steezy in this, like, don't lie. The pockets are kind of small though, but like, I just love this. I love this. This is what it looks like from the back. Hey guys, this is my bed. Don't you think it looks cute? Like, I put up this curtain and it works so well as a backdrop. It looks cute. Cute up. Cool, but anyway, this is what the cream one looks like. Very similar to the black one, but I've noticed that the neck is slightly shorter, so I don't know if I'd suggest putting this on before you do your makeup. Maybe like wearing a dressing robe or a dressing gown instead on top of it. But this is, it might be okay for other people. I think it's just that I have a big head, so let me relax. I didn't even buy that much. I thought I had more than this. But anyway, I have a third fleece. The grey one, I mean not the grey one, the cream one was also a size 10 to 12. And this one is also a size 10 to 12. They're all from limited edition. Now, this is actually hard work. Understand what YouTubers say when they're like, right, it's hot, you know, and they got lights in front of them. And imagine my ring light stopped working today. I thought, let me try film a little makeup vid, show how I'm doing my makeup, not to actually post, but like to see like the layout and stuff, or maybe a future one, like in a couple years time, because my makeup's not even good. It's okay, but like it's nothing special. But this is how the grey one looks. Anyway, I was saying my ring light broke because I dropped it like a couple weeks ago, and like the light's just been flickering. But yeah, this is how the grey one looks. This is it from the front, side, back, all around. So here I'm just laying out the fleece. I'm turning it inside out. Oh yeah, you can see the makeup marks that I got on it when I was trying it on earlier. And I am going to mark across from the top of the pockets because that's where it sits at my waist. So I'm just marking that out and making both sides are the correct or are the same measurement. They both come up to 26 centimeters. I'm just cutting across the fabric now. So I've cut off the excess, making sure to leave space for seam allowance. And now I'm just marking two lines across the bottom of the fleece. These are going to work as my guidelines. The lines are very faint, I'm just showing you them. and then I put 2 fingers to the seam, and then that's where I decide where I'm going to place my eyelet. This will be to change the area of where the elastic string was, and I'm just using my eyelet tool, and this just secures the eyelet in place. Now after I've done the first one, I fill through the other side and make a tiny hole. Make sure that the hole is tiny, probably the size of like what is even that small, like 5 needle heads or so. But just make sure that it's really small. The smaller the better, because you don't want to make it too large and then the eyelet will come off. And then I'm just showing you both eyelets and they're matching. So I've now finished both sides, and I'm just threading the elastic through, and then I'm just threading it through the, what are they called, the toggle. I'm threading it through one of the toggles. I'm doing this before I sew it. So after I've threaded one side, I do the exact same on the opposite side. And then I just go on to knot the elastic, and then I cut off the excess. Now I am just pinning the bottom edge in place for sewing. I've made sure to leave an allowance so that I don't end up sewing on the elastic. Now I'm just making sure that the edge that I've left is equal all the way around. I've now pinned both sides, and then I will sew across where I'm just pointing at. And then I literally just sew around the whole bottom edge. And whilst I'm sewing, I make sure to put my hand to the right of the fabric, feeling the elastic at all points, just to make sure that I don't sew on the elastic at any point. Remember to like back stitch when you start sewing and when you end sewing, just so that the thread doesn't come loose. Yeah, so there we go. I'm just cutting off the excess thread, and then I am done. So that was a pretty quick one. For the grey one that I made, I decided to add a pocket to this. I've kept the extra fabric for the cream one, but I may decide to add a pocket to it later, just like seeing how I feel, as I don't really wear cream that much. So I'll see how this one works out. So there we go. Here is the finished product. Very quick and easy. And then there it is, slightly cinched in. There we go, finished product. Yeah, there's a couple other videos that I have in the pipework. My camera's flashing, it's gonna die soon, but anyway, let me continue chatting. But yeah, just if you enjoyed this vid, like, thumbs up, tell me what else you would like to see. That's pretty much it. Signing out, Yanni London. Book, book.